In order to purchase from our website and gain access to special features, you must have a username and password. This video will show you how to sign in if you already have these credentials. If you do not have an account set up, skip this video and watch the signing in without an account tutorial. Now, let's get right to it. To log into your account, simply click the Sign In/Register link, which is located in the blue navigation bar at the top of the home page at a&aglobal.com. This will open up the Account Access page. On the left side, you'll see Returning Customers. There, you'll enter your username and password where indicated. Once these fields are completed, simply click on the Sign In button. Now you're logged in and you have full access to all the special features and all of your order history on a&aglobal.com. You can verify that you're logged in by seeing your name and last initial in the top menu bar. When you're done visiting the site, simply sign out. To do that, click on your name and the drop-down menu will show Sign Out as your last choice. Click there and you now have signed out. It's just that easy.